Hey!
Hello!
Five minutes later.
Wait.
Huh? Get out of my way, I'm going to be late. Get out!
It's all broken.
I didn't mean to...
The thing to do now is not to cry. We have to deal with this mess. Transform!
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Come on! 10 years later.
Bing bang!
Much later.
Oh yeah!
Cement is coming. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. All done.
Yo, 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 yo!
I'll flatten the road.
I'm sorry.
You know it's good.
But thanks to you, we can do this project.
Remember to walk on the right side of the road next time.
Yes, sir.
Finish work. Let's play together.
Bye, have a great time.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hello? Go, go, go. Ready to dig? All set!
Okay!
Watch out for the dust.
The crane digs deep, scooping soil into the truck's bed.
Continue. Amazing. Oh my god, what?
Uh-oh! Water sprays everywhere.
Oops, I hit a water pipe. Go, it's flooding.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Hello?
The truck dumps all the sand right in front of their barn.
What? Huh? This spot is perfect. Borrowing your grass.
Then it rolls back and starts collecting all the green grass.
Bye-bye. Let's cover this hole.
The truck drives away, taking the grass to fill the big hole.
La 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 la.
Oh no, what's going on? Help me, please.
Water sprays all over the rescue truck and the train.
Let's go. Go, go, go. Oh, what happened? Help me, please. Let me.
The tow truck extends its hook and lifts the rescue truck up. The rescue truck is safe. Now the train needs help.
Thank you. I need your help. Hey, I come here.
Oh, no!
Let me help.
A big trailer arrives with new water pipes and fresh railway tracks.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Wow! Wonderful.
Look, the old pipes vanish. New ones are secured tightly.
Okay!
Let's cover this hole.
Fresh sand fills the hole, and the rescue truck flattens it.
Let me...
Okay!
Wow, so nice. It's a beautiful...
New railway tracks are placed. The road is fixed. Hooray!
Remember to subscribe to the channel below. Don't dig your way in a place where you don't allow it.
Look, the police officer is sleeping on his car. He must be really tired.
Ha ha ha, I will rob the police car. Perfect plan.
Hey, wake up. What? Help me, please help me.
Okay!
Let me
The
help.
police officer jumped into the river. He really wants to help.
Ha ha ha, I'm feeling very smart.
But wait! Steve just took the police car. That's not okay.
Oh,
Oh no! A train is coming from the opposite side.
Oh no, stop!
no! Oh, no!
Crash! The train hits the police car. Both fall into the river.
Oh, no!
Oh no, so hurt. In the river with an accident, come here. We come here.
The tow truck pulls out the train from the river. That's strong teamwork.
Thank you so much.
Now the police car is being lifted too. Good job, rescue team.
Thank you.
Okay!
Let's go. We have to build them more firmly. Amazing! Take wood to build bridges.
Okay!
The trailer is loaded with wood beams and train tracks.
Rail for train. Go.
Here come all the construction vehicles. Let's build something new.
Let's start. I will make the track more firmly.
The dump trucks pour gravel to form the new road foundation.
Continue. Let me increase the certainty.
The road roller flattens the gravel, smooth and steady.
Let me increase the certainty. Yeah, wonderful. I come here.
Train tracks and wood beams are laid down carefully.
Install it carefully.
The welding machine joins the tracks together.
Making wooden bridges for cars.
The wooden bridge is hammered tightly, strong and secure.
I come hear it. It's so wonderful.
Ta-da! The wooden bridge is finally complete. Strong, steady, and ready for adventure.
Don't drive into the tracks, very dangerous. Remember to subscribe to the channel below.
Oh my God, it's so hurt. My tyree.
Oh no! Oh no!
Steve yawns in front of his empty repair shop.
Why is this deserted? I wish I had a lot of money.
He imagines a long line of cars waiting for repairs.
Aha! I'll have customers. Perfect plan. Let's go.
This place is near my car repair shop.
He stops in the middle of a quiet road.
There is no one recently. I'm about to be rich.
Oh no!
Hey, hello everyone!
Oh no, what is this?
Woo, it's so great.
Oh no!
What? My tire. Oh my God, so hurt.
Go, go, go. Who is over there?
Oh my God, what happened?
It hurts too. I can't move anymore. Oh no! Please help us. Is these anyone?
Help me! Help me!
Oh, what's going on? Help, our tires were broken.
Okay.
Okay, calm down. Let me help. Fighting. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
The tow truck loads the plank and drives to the repair shop.
Okay.
I will take you to replace new tires. Welcome to the Happy Car Repair Shop.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Such wheel is very dangerous. Yeah, amazing.
Okay.
The brand new wheels for you too, haha.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
But Steve's greed is not gone
I'm too
yet.
smart.
He tries to set the plank again, but the tow truck is watching.
Not long ago, I'm the richest in the world.
Okay.
Oh my God, so bad. Please click the registration button to follow the ending. Hey, what are you doing? What? Who is over there?
Caught by the crane, Steve looks embarrassed and reverses, but runs over the plank he placed himself.
Oh my God.
He knows he was wrong and drives away.
Don't harm other to profit.
How can I help? Please help us at the bridge. Oh my god, I will come soon. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
bro.
Oh yeah!
You will be fined for not complying with the regulations. I'm sorry. We need to fix the bridge.
Hello. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episodes. The truck is overloaded. Just a little tilt, and it might tip over any second. Oh no. The truck just hit a big rock. It's losing balance. It's about to tip over. Look over there. 2 McQueen cars are speeding up, racing to the finish line. Run quickly. Haha! The red McQueen didn't see the mud puddle. Now it's completely covered in mud. Only its blinking eyes are visible. OMG, help me, help me. Oh no! The red McQueen is out of control, heading straight for the intersection. A big truck carrying flower pots is coming.
Help me.
Let me go call for help.
There's a terrible accident over there.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
The police car was sleeping soundly, but when it heard the cry for help, it jumped up and called the rescue team.
I need your help.
Okay, we're coming right away.
Oh my god!
The crane has arrived. It's quickly lifting the overturned vehicles back up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Help me.
Yahoo! Thank you.
We need to rebuild the road.
Okay.
Now for an important task. We need to repair the road so that vehicles can travel safely. The truck carrying sand has arrived at the construction site. It's about to pour sand to fix the road. The road roller happily moves back and forth, smoothing out the new road. Look how hard it's working. Let's put up some fences. This helps protect the road and keeps everyone safe. Wow, they're even carefully adding beautiful flower pots. This road looks absolutely amazing. To ensure safety, the police car installs a traffic light. Always follow traffic rules when driving.
Do not overload when transporting goods on the road, and absolutely do not play around when participating in traffic.